just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up you guys, it's Nikki, and today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. The ingredients and how I do this include Dawn dish soap, an olive oil, or I use coconut oil, a little bowl to mix that in, a brush egg, or an old CD that you make hot glue marks all over, and a bunch of hair ties. First thing you're going to do is fill your little container with the Dawn dish soap, and I like to take my coconut oil and just drizzle it over the top because this is what softens your brushes. And then I just mix it all together so it's all throughout. So I'm going to show you how I wash my eye brushes. And a really important thing about brushes you need to know is that if the metal part is circular, you wash them in a circular motion. And if it has a dent, that means you wash it back and forth, and you also dry them that way too. Now, washing a beauty sponge is a little bit different than a brush. You're going to soak it like you would to make it big before you do your makeup, and you're going to dip it completely in the soap. And I like to work in, like, where there's little dark spots, I like to work harder on those. Washing foundation brushes or any kind of face brush is a little bit different. I like to use my CD that I kind of DIY'd and put hot glue all over, but you always want to remember to still work in that same way that you would any other brush, but you work a little more intense with a face brush because it gets more gunk in your face oil and all that inside of it. For how I like to hang my makeup brushes up to dry, you always hang them upside down. That way the glue that holds the makeup brushes together doesn't get ruined. But I just wrap the hair tie around and stick the makeup brushes in, and sometimes I double up on hair ties, but as long as the bristles aren't touching and they have enough room to dry, that's perfectly fine to do. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Love you guys, and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though